Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining today's investor call. We truly appreciate your time and continued support. During this call, we will provide a brief update on Muscat Insurance Company's recent performance, key developments, and our strategic directions moving forward. In this room with us today, we have me, Sarah Al-Balushi, Compliance Officer, Ms. Alina Tony, Deputy CFO, Mr. Abdullah Al-Abri, Chief of Quality and Data Protection, Mr. Mahfouz Al-Jafari, Chief Regional Manager, Mr. Abdullah Sudairi, Legal Researcher, Ms. Wahida Patan, Executive Board Secretary, and we have online with us the Acting CEO, Mr. Sayed Husseini. To start, I'll briefly set the stage and then I'll hand it over to our Acting CEO, Mr. Sayed Husseini, for a broader overview, and then for Ms. Alina to take it over and run the financials in brief. We look forward to an engaging and productive discussion, and we are happy to address questions if any.
Thank you, Sarah. Good morning. I extend my sincere appreciation to our shareholders, customers, partners, regulators, and employees for their continued support. Despite the challenging environment, the company reported a net profit of ₹1 million for the 6 months ended June 2026. Management is taking focused actions to strengthen underwriting performance, enhance operational efficiency, and improve the portfolio quality. Now I request Ms. Alina, Deputy CFO, to present the Q2 figures. Over to you, Alina.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Saeed. And good morning, everyone. And thank you all for joining us today for the Muscat Insurance Company's MSX discussion session for the 6 months ended 30th June 2026. I am Alina Merinotu, Deputy CFO of Muscat Insurance Company. And it is my honor and privilege to be here with you today to present the financial performance and highlights of Muscat Insurance Company. Just to give an introduction about the company, Muscat Insurance Company was established in 1995 with its head office in El Kuwait, and it has 9 branches across Oman serving customers across the Sultanate. Over the years, we have built our business on trust, financial strength, disciplined underwriting, and customer service. Our focus continues to be on profitable and sustainable growth, operational efficiency, prudent investment management, and strong risk management. As a MSX listed company, we remain committed to transparency, sound corporate governance, and creating sustainable long-term value for our shareholders. Today, I'll take you through the financial performance for the first half of 2026, our financial position, investment portfolio, key financial ratios, and the major factors influencing our results during the period. Before we move on, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank our Board of Directors and the entire management team for their continued support, guidance, and commitment towards the growth and success of Muscat Insurance Company. So following the presentation, we will be happy to take any questions from anyone joined here. So let's begin with the financial highlights and performance. After that, we will go with financial performance, then on investment, key ratios, and finally we'll go to question and answer session. Starting with financial highlights. During the first half of 2026, Muscat Insurance Company reported the profit of 1.045 million compared to 0.407 million same period last year, which represents a significant improvement of approximately 157%. Insurance revenue stood at 8 million compared to approximately 9 million in previous year. Our gross premium was 11 million compared to 13 million same time last year. The insurance service results is negative 392,000 compared to 182,000 loss same period last year. In spite of having the increased in underwriting loss, our investment income has performed really well, and it shows an improvement of 1.77 million compared to 1.029 million same time last year. As a result, the combined net insurance and investment results improved to 1.299 million compared to 731 million last year. Basic earning per share has increased from 0.037 paisa to 0.095 paisa as at 30th June 2026. Overall, the company's profitability during the period was strongly supported by disciplined investment management and a well-diversified investment portfolio. At the same time, management also remains focused on strengthening the underwriting profitability while maintaining a balanced and prudent investment strategy. Next slide shows the graphical presentation of what we have discussed already. It's related to insurance revenue starting from 2024 year end, 2025, H1 2025, and coming to H1 2026. The net insurance service results is 392,000 loss compared to 182,000 loss previous year. The net investment income has improved substantially compared to the first half year in 2025, and their profit and after tax is also improved substantially because of the higher investment income for the period. Now, turning into financial position, the company has a stable balance sheet compared to previous year. Total assets increased from 41.7 million to 45.6 million current year. The total paid up share capital remains same, 11.025 million. The total investments has increased from 27 million to 32 million. It is because of the increased fixed deposits as well as the equities. The total liabilities has increased from 23 million to 25 million, and overall the total equity has increased from 18 million to 20 million because of the accumulated profits and return earnings during the current year. The net asset per share has increased from 1.656 to 1.820 as at 30th June 2026. Now, moving on to the investment mix. As at 30th June 2026, the bank balances and fixed deposits is 48% of the overall total investment portfolio, which is slightly higher compared to previous year. The investment properties is 24%, bonds 9%, and equities 19% of the total investment portfolio, which is again higher compared to previous year. The key ratios involve the net asset per share. If you are seeing the graph, it is actually improved in H1 2026, which is 1.82 per share. And the earning per share is also has gone up from 0.037 to 0.095. The increase in equity investments together with our fixed deposit portfolio and other investment assets contributed positively to our strong investment portfolio, while we are also concentrating on the underwriting policies and to monitor the claims trends to manage the underwriting profit more in the coming period. Just to give a summary before going to question answer session, we would like to summarize our insurance gross premium is 11 million and insurance revenue is 8 million. The profit after tax is 1.045 million. The investment income increased substantially to 1.77 million, and the net per share is 1.82 million compared to 1.82 paisa compared to 1.656 paisa. And the earning per share is 0.095 compared to 0.037 paisa same time last year. We are happy to take any questions. We would like to answer any questions in case of any queries regarding the financials presented as at 30th June 2026. We have a question in the chat which is asking for the cost savings achieved during H1 2026. We would like to clarify compared to previous year, we have approximately 50,000 reals savings in the overheads compared to previous year. Same time, our premium earned as well as the claims incurred also, we are continuously monitoring and taking care of with proper underwriting principles and procedures. So definitely all together we'll be having or we'll put together will show a operational efficiency in the coming periods. I have one more question in the chat. It's requesting for the reason for the increase in investment income. And could you please break down with the investment categories drove the 72% increase to 1.177 million? As I mentioned, our total investment income is 1.77 million compared to 1.2 million previous year. Out of this 1.77 million, it is mainly driven with the market fluctuations coming approximately 1 million and remaining 800,000, close to 800,000 is the realized income coming from the interest income from fixed deposits, bonds, and rental income of the company. So altogether coming to 1.77 million. I hope the questions are clarified correctly. I would like to know if any further questions are there. As there are no further questions, we would like to conclude. Management, just I wanted to reconfirm that management remains focused on improving the underwriting performance, enhancing the operational efficiency, and generate sustainable investment returns. And we also remain committed to create long-term value for our shareholders while maintaining strong corporate governance, prudent risk management, and financial discipline. Thank you all for joining us. I'll hand over to Sarah.
Thank you all for your time and attention and continued support. We look forward to staying connected. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.